stage. Ngayon parang hindi na tayo kasya lahat. Dr. Wancho, next time, bigger place. Ang dami. Advisors, teachers, to be on stage also. For the parents po, may request you to sit for a while kasi po para yung official photographer natin can take pictures as well. So again, may request po lahat ng mga leaders. Oy, homeschoolers, hindi pa tayo tapos. Hindi pa. Natin. Homeschoolers, stay put. Yan. Diyan lang kayo. Not yet. Oh, balik. One last photo. May we request all the leaders, family advisors, area learning advisors, all advisors, LGCs, to join the kids on stage. Okay, one more time. Request again, leaders, advisors, family advisors, area learning advisors, LGCs, learn group coordinators. You know yourself. Okay. Yeah, for the first 5 rows, may we request you to sit down for a while para po makapture ng maganda yung mga pictures. Maraming salamat po. Okay. Smile! Kaling Global 2025. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay na? Okay, thank you very much. With that,